Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Illustrative RJ. In this video we are going to learn how to change dress color. Okay, so first go to the selection tool. Here I select quick selection tool to select the area where I want to change the color. Select the area very carefully. Okay, its selection is almost done. Now go to the adjustment layer and solid, and you can use any kind of color what you want, it doesn't matter. Press OK, and here select the color option. Yeah, so you can think it's almost done, but it's not. We have to change lot more things, we have to do lot more edit. Then click here, go to the blend option and press alt to break this triangle, and just drag here and press OK. Now again go to the adjustment layer and select this option, hue and saturation. Now click here. Okay, now you can drag this to change the color like this. You can change whatever color you want. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.